Mounting instruction of motor. Tools required: screwdriver, cutter, ratchet. Accessories required: check the status of the breaker. The breaker should be in off position. Check the racking interlock if any. Now, breaker is in service position. Take out the racking handle from the cradle. Insert the handle in the slot provided for rack in and rack out, and rotate it in anti-clockwise direction until breaker comes to isolated position. Place the racking handle back to its position. Pull out the breaker up to maintenance position. Remove the top cover of the ACB. Remove safety cover on wiring terminal block. Remove wires of motor from terminal block. Loosen motor mounting nuts and remove motor. Take the new motor and place mounting pins of the motor in the slot provided on the left plate. Fix the motor with spring washer and nut and tighten it. Fix the wire F and H to the terminal block. Place the safety cover back to its position. Tie the wires. Fix the top cover. Push the breaker to isolated position and rack in the breaker back to service position.